So for the past 20 years, I've been creating things, and here are some examples on my website. You can get to my website. I'll put a link at the end and underneath in the description, but it is mhstudios.com, and you can see I make birdhouses, clocks, fireplace screens, small boxes, pet urns, lamps, charcuterie boards, and trays, and a number of different things. I'm scrolling down my website so you can kind of get a quick view of what I do, what I have done in the past. Some things I don't really do much anymore, but there's a whole section that I have, and you can get to that link at the top where I show different furniture that I have made. Anyway, click on that and check it out yourself and see what you think. I used to sell things. I don't really do that much anymore, but you know, such is life. What I'm doing now is renovating houses, and I add a lot of these unusual and unique features within the house in an effort to make it very interesting and very different for a potential buyer. That website is actually, it's a YouTube channel called Two Women and Tools. If you just pop that into the search at the top of your YouTube channel, you'll see that should come up. I'll also put a link to that one below in case you're interested in seeing that. We're renovating and flipping houses and having a lot of fun doing it, but I on the side make these kinds of things that I sometimes incorporate into a home. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you soon.